Body rolling leg routines were designed to work systematically through all the long muscles of the thighs. When you work through those muscles, freeing them, elongating them, you're getting maximum range of motion in your hips, in your knees. As you free all the muscles of the thigh, that translates down into your calves, down into your feet. We're going to start with the hamstrings. Working the hamstring muscles, the ball presses up into your sit bone and rolls down the center of your hamstring muscles. And then we're going to do the quadriceps. The quadriceps are the muscles that go down the front of your thigh. The next muscle group we're going to do is called the adductor muscle group. And these muscles begin here in the inner groin, and they come out all the way at different points out to the inner knee. The last line in the leg we're going to do is the lateral line. And it's where the quadriceps and the hamstrings meet at this very tight line on the side of your body. Now take a walk on your new legs. And as you're walking right now, standing on your legs, on your feet, you can feel the difference. You can feel how much lighter, how much easier your legs are moving. You can also feel stronger, more solid, more grounded in your legs.